the Pyramid of Venus. In contrast to previous meditations, in this one, a special word is used for each corner of the pyramid. 4 words serving as mantras for the corners of the base are Philia, Agape, Eros, and Storge. All these 4 words express various forms of love. The primary quality of Venus, translated from Greek, they mean friendship, Philia, spiritual or selfless love, Agape, carnal or erotic love, Eros, and familial love, Storge. As a mantra for the apex of the pyramid, the Hebrew divine name Elohim is used, associated with the sephira Netzach, the sphere of Venus on the tree of life. Elohim, literally translated, means gods, and this name implies a great variety of divine manifestations, similar to the variety of manifestations of love itself. During the construction of the pyramid, each of these words is repeated in a chant 7 times. Because 7 is the number of Venus, the color of this entire visualization is green. The color of Venus. The qualities of the pyramid's corners are freedom, light, love, and life. All these qualities are associated with positive, life-affirming ideas. A free person usually accepts their freedom as a natural given, but it is worth occasionally remembering that freedom is not granted to everyone. Freedom is the opportunity to go unhindered where we wish, the opportunity to openly express our opinions and exercise our rights. Light is a necessary condition of existence for most life forms. Love is a source of countless pleasures and blessings, and life, at least, it should be so. Visualizations accompanying these qualities are not as concrete and material as in other pyramids, because it is quite difficult to select clear and unambiguous symbols for concepts related to Venus. Both brilliance and radiance are varieties of light. In Hebrew, the planet Venus is called Noga, which means brilliance, and radiance is the highest form of light. The image of pulsating radiance, accompanying the concept of love, symbolizes the beating of the heart, an organ that has long been associated with love. This same image is maintained in the meditation on the concept of life. Construction of the Pyramid of Venus. Imagine that you are sitting in an emerald green square inside a circle. The corners of the square are oriented to the 4 cardinal points, east, south, west, and north, and touch the circumference. This square symbolizes the forces of Venus. Its eastern corner is connected to the first of the 4 qualities of Venus, freedom. Freedom is the opportunity to act freely, think freely, and move freely as one desires. Like air, freedom is invisible, but surrounds us on all sides. Think of the winds and how they blow unhindered as they please. Concentrate the energy of freedom in the eastern corner of the square. Visualize it as a transparent green brilliance. Freedom cannot be held by any chains. So move the energy of freedom to the second corner of the square, to the south, directing the energy of freedom from the eastern corner to the southern one. 7 times chant the word Philia. In the southern corner, freedom is transformed into the second quality of Venus, light. This is the light of the morning and evening star, the light of illumination leading through the paths of mysteries, and the light of the divine spark hidden within each of us. Concentrate on transforming the energy of freedom into the energy of light in the southern corner, and imagine how it flares up with an emerald green radiance. Light illuminates everything it touches on its path. Furthermore, this movement itself. Thinking of this, direct the energy of light to the third, western corner, and while doing so, 7 times chant the word Agape. Agape is spiritual love, pure and selfless love for oneself, for other people, and for all life, illuminated by inner harmony. In the western corner, light is transformed into love. The third quality of Venus, love, finds expression in both thoughts and actions. You love your family and friends. You love yourself. Love other people. Love all living things. Love is the greatest force in the universe. Concentrate the energy of love in the third corner of the square in the west, imagining how the emerald green radiance begins to pulsate in time with your heart. Love moves and flows. Conduct the energy of love to the 4th corner of the square. To the north, and while doing so, 7 times chant the word Eros. Eros is sexual love, that love which finds expression in physical union with other people, and is capable of generating new life. Life is the child of love. Love permeates the entire universe, generating life and love for life. Therefore, the 4th quality of Venus is familial love. Living your life, you strive to realize your divine potential and achieve perfection. Visualize the energy of life in the northern corner of the square as an emerald green radiance, still beating in the same rhythm as your heart. To close the square, direct the energy of life to the eastern corner. Going through life, you fight for freedom, the freedom to be yourself and to do what must be done in fulfillment of your destiny. Conducting the energy of life to the eastern corner, 7 times chant the word Storge. So, now, you are sitting in the green square of Venus, with all its 4 qualities: life, light, love, and freedom. To use these qualities, it is necessary to move in time, and for this, it is necessary to transform the square into a 3-dimensional body. Visualize green lines emerging from each corner and connecting at a central point above your head. Thus, a pyramid is formed. Having completed the formation of the pyramid, turn to the name Elohim, which means gods. Glorify the gods acting through you, sending you strength and inspiration on your path. Chant this name 7 times, Elohim, and here you are inside the pyramid of Venus in inner peace. And here is a mystery, for inner chambers is the name Yah, the first 2 letters of the Tetragrammaton, linking the masculine and feminine principles into a single whole. Absorb the green energy of Venus into your heart, so that your entire body and aura are filled with the forces of light, life, love, and freedom. Continue until you have absorbed all the energy and the pyramid fades.